Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you all to this fourth annual general meeting of your company. The audited accounts and the report of directors has already been circulated, and I hope you have all gone through the same. With your permission, I shall take them as read. In the history of any company successfully completing the first 4 years of its existence is in fact a notable milestone, as the social and economic conditions prevailing in these days are not encouraging one, and it is very difficult to pass through even a single year with success. The country is facing inflation and severe social and economic problems are created day by day because of the war declared against Arab nations. We had to face hike in prices of petrol and other edible oils. The ultimate result of all these are affected to a common man. Due to cyclone in our neighboring states, many persons have lost their lives, causing damages to the properties. I hereby express my deep grief for the same. Many have extended their helping hand to those unfortunate people by contributing liberally by means of food, clothing, and money. Our employees have donated a day's salary to the cyclone relief fund of the state. During the year under review, our company has made a remarkable progress in the production. I am glad to inform you that we are able to make a considerable profit on account of the increase in our production. Dedicated work of our esteemed employees deserves to be highly appreciated by one and all. In recent days, due to liberalization policy of our government, many of the foreign banks have started making investment in our state. This would surely help us to establish a new business relationship with them also in the near future. With kind cooperation of all the employees and members, our company moves forward with faith, confidence in the years to come. The financial position of our company, as the honorable members are well aware, has improved day by day in these 4 years, and now we are considered as one of the developed companies in the state. However, as a result of the efforts of the honorable members in improving the performance of the revenue earnings and in plugging the leakage of revenue, the state tax revenues have grown at an impressive rate due to better financial management. The state government has been able to avoid problems. Before I conclude, I would like to note briefly that the modernization of machinery effected during the latter part of the year under review and during the current accounting year would give us certain additional advantage during the current year as compared to the period under review. Barring unforeseen circumstances, we hope to improve the profitability during the next year. I take this opportunity to appreciate the sincerity, spirit of cooperation, and high degree of efficiency shown by the employees of our company. The company has, in a short span of time, successfully negotiated and arrived at a settlement with its employees for a further period of 4 years for continuance of peace. The credit for this goes to the employees and the representatives also. I am grateful to my colleagues on the board of directors for their guidance and cooperation, and pray for their continued support in coming years. Dear Madam, we thank you for your letter of 10th instant enclosing therewith the form giving the list of the products in which you are particularly interested. We are now sending you a small book. In this, you will find not only full details of all our products but also several pages of information about all kinds of points of interest to the tailors. As regards our electric machines, we wish to draw your kind attention to the fact that details are given on pages 5 and 6. All our classic machines are for domestic use. Although the machine marked number 4 is rather larger than the most persons need, it is useful to the persons who sometimes make dresses for other people to add to their income. We would like to add that the products named on pages 7 and 8 have very good sales because they make the work of the tailor so much easier. You may ask your friends to give some of these small goods as gifts in view of the fact that you are to be wedded shortly. We wish to take this opportunity to send you our very best wishes for your happiness in the future, and we are sending you today a small gift of our product to mark this important event. If you are agreeable to place an order, we will be happy to supply the same from ready stock. Yours faithfully,